Hi guys, welcome back to another video. We'll be doing a V-tip stiletto set today. Let's get right into it. The nails have been prepped, primed and shaped. I'm just picking up my first bead and I'm basically going to try to shape it into a V smile line by pulling the product all the way down to the free edge and then using the ends of my brush to clean up on the sides as well. Now that looks great, and I'm just going to pick up my next bead, which will be my apex bead, and feather that down into the rest of the nail. So this is the first time I'm doing a V-tip. I've been wanting to do it for a while now, but my precision knife isn't here yet. So I ordered them a month ago, so I substituted for using a blade. If you're going to use a blade, please make sure it's sanitary or it's new. Just make sure it's new, it's clean. Now I dip the blade into clear powder so that I can cut off the excess products that I do not want on the nail. I can cut that V into like a perfect shape. And then next I'm just going to go in with my cuticle bead as well and feather that down into the nail, making sure it's nice and neat. When you pick up your beads, you want to make sure that it's in the right powder to liquid ratio so that you have just the perfect bead to work with. If you by chance pick up a bead that is a little too wet, you could always drain off the excess liquid on your tissue towel and then place it on the nail and continue working. Also make sure that you wipe your brush constantly to prevent it from clogging up with powder. It's also very important that you check to see that the V smile lines of every nail are, just as precise as the other, and they are, aligned together so that you don't have one smile line shorter than the other, or one V smile line rather shorter than the other. Okay, so I'm just going to let you guys watch what I do. I basically do the exact same thing on every nail except for the thumb where I do a full plain nail. We are done with all the V's. I'm just crisping it up by filing the edges to align with my stiletto shape. I'm also going to file on the tip to remove any stains of my brown powder on there. To finish up with the application, I'm filling the rest of the nail with white powder. The goal is to ensure that you've got enough white powder to fill up that nail, and it doesn't matter if you've got some powder on the nude part. We would be filing all of that off. Okay, so white is a very tricky color to work with. You have to be careful so that it doesn't stain the skin or it doesn't get stuck in your brush. So make certain of your powder to liquid ratio, and I'd advise you work in smaller beads as well. Okay, so we're finally done with the application, and this was the most interesting part of doing this set, filing. That big reveal on every finger was just amazing for me. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys how I file this nail, and then I'll show you the rest of the nail when it's done. We are done with filing, and it's just very beautiful, you guys. Look at that, it's perfectly aligned. Okay, so I just want to apply some rhinestones, and then I'll put some top coat on these nails, and we will be through with this nail. This set was really interesting to do. I'm totally in love with V-tips now. I also want to use this opportunity to thank you all for the nice and warming comments I got in my last video. I really do appreciate it, and it's really encouraging to know that people make an effort to watch my videos and they actually enjoy them. Thank you all once again. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.